Mika Grbavica is a Croatian volleyball player. She plays as opposite hitter for German club Dresdner SC. Mika turned out to be the trump card of Croatia in important matches of the 2022 Golden Euro League W and is already looking forward to helping the team in the upcoming challenges. The FIVB Challenger Cup, the Euro Volley W Qualifiers and the World Championship. Standing at 191 cm tall, Grbavica, who was a player of HAOK Mladost Zagreb, reaching a semi-final in CEV Cup W in 2022, just signed her first international contract and from the next season will be learning and improving her volleyball skills in Germany, playing for the team of Dresdner SC 1989. Keep an eye on her as she might very well be the next big thing in volleyball. For as long as she remembers, Mika has been on the volleyball courts. She has been practicing the sport since the young age of 4 when she first had gone to a training with her mother. It makes perfect sense as her mother is actually her first volleyball coach. Mika is following her own path and even though she has appreciation for the biggest names of today's volleyball, she doesn't have a volleyball idol as she finds inspiration in other places. In the end of July 2022, Grbavica and her teammates will have the chance to fight on a home soil for a much coveted ticket to the Women's Elite as the FIVB Challenger Cup is taking place in Jeddah. In season 2021 to 2022, Mika and her team by then HAOK Mladost Zagreb reached the semi-finals of the CEV Cup W, but now, after the season with the national team, Mika will have another new challenge in her career. She just made her first transfer abroad, joining the team of Dresdner SC 1989.